What's going on, everybody? Back here with another video. Yo, thanks for coming back. I've been away from the videos for a while. If you don't know, my name is Deontay, and this is the Empire Works channel. All right, so be sure to like, comment, subscribe, right, share it with a friend who likes cars as well. All right, but we out here in Jamaica, Queens. The gang and I, we're out here about to enjoy some cars. See some of the competition out here. The car scene's usually, only for racing or for, goonery activity, goon activity. But there's some cool bills out here. People are passionate about the car scene. So come along with us for the ride. Let's see what's out here. R6.
What's this called? Wait, tell us what's the name of the car?
No.
Let's
go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. No, from this angle, if you're looking at it from here, don't it look like an egg? That's an egg? Yes, it does.
I don't know what she said. It wasn't a Supra. It's all love. We out though. Next car. Okay, no, BMW's a nice look. I don't wrong you.
I do, and because my brother Infinities too.
Yes, I do remember that. He still has one?
Yes, he still has
Nice. G37, right?
Yes.
Nice. That's
What about you?
My favorite car, I've been born into Volkswagen, so my blood is still Volkswagen DNA, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I love VW, you know what I'm saying? But my heart is all over the place at the same time, but I still love VW, so
yes.
I'm gonna stick with that answer. VW is my favorite car, bro. It made me.
That's the
VW
foundation.
made me, exactly. That's how it all started, because if it wasn't for Volkswagens, I wouldn't want to come to these shows or just be here, interact, and nothing. I love this stuff. It's in my blood.
Most of these cars, you can feel the power and the pressure from the exhaust on like your body, bro. Like this right here. Like that pipe. Nothing but pressure, bro.
It's like slapping.
As we have to walk. It is mad crowded.
That's why the barrier is there for safety.
I look where this girl is.
We can't even get the second car in here.
You good, Janae? You good, Janae?
Yo, if you're
you good?
I think we're not.
All right, cool. All right.
We're just gonna stop it. They're too close. Son, you have to go.
You guys already know. Like my week. Wait, hold on. Which M5? Which M5? Oh my God. In another life, you know, if I was to get a 5 Series, like, yeah.
I wouldn't guess, but I feel like
Of course, this is GTR.
Bring the camera there, bring the camera. She's guessing the car, bro. What car is this?
can I have 2 guesses? Like, I want to say like an M2.
M2, okay.
M2?
Or
You're a little higher.
how much higher? 1 notch higher?
Maybe
2 notches higher? Like an M4?
You're very
I'm very close.
hot.
Like hot.
Like hot.
M5?
There we go.
There we go.
You can see me. I'm like, yo, you're hot.
Oh my God. But how can you guys tell the difference? Like,
Well, of course, with
go from the front?
technically with each body style, right? With each number, the body style is going to be a little different, or more either larger or more aggressive.
Okay.
So this is a bigger car.
Okay.
Right. So your M2s are going to be very small ones. Then you have your M3, like a mid-size sedan, compact
Okay.
sedan. Then you get to like a full-size sedan, like the M5.
M5.
Yeah.
All right.
They got
They
M8s,
look like
which
more
are like,
beastie.
yeah, M8s look like big boats.
All right, so y'all know I'm looking for E36s to drift. But you know, Georgie, he's a stance guy, so this is definitely his cup of tea. This your speed, bro?
Makes me miss mine, man. Makes me miss mine.
That joint clean. Black GTR and TEs, yep. Or Advan GTs, right? Advan GTs.
Nah, TEs look better than me.
TEs or Advans?
TEs, bro.
Ain't go wrong, T.
Oh, I thought they were too mainstream though.
So our Advans are literally just skinnier versions of TEs. Bro.
Yeah, but when's the last time you seen an Advan compared to a TE?
Like,
T's are universal, you know what I'm saying?
they look universally look good on all cars, bro. Advans is like, it's like very diverse.
Facts. OG in the C8.
Oh, we gotta give love to the content.
Yes, sir.
But if you want to be classy, you gotta go with the BBS, like classy. Recaro seats, come on.
Yo, a Q16 on TEs is low-key what I would do if I owned a Q. So Deontay, what wheels are you putting on your Q, Deontay?
Well, before I think of wheels, I gotta do my brakes.
Ah,
I already know that I want 19. I probably won't go low, like small, like 18. Definitely won't go VIP, like 20 and things. To be honest, the only options I have really are RPF1s. I could do some Nismo version 2s. I could probably do those. T's, that's out of the question. Like that's like what you paying 5K for wheels. Like I'm saying, like
it's baller status though.
that's ball status. Like let me get a couple more deals, you know, real estate. Then yeah, whatever. Have that. Look at Darren. He's in. Jesus Christ. Oh. God, that is. That is
I love these cars so much. I gotta think now. MK7, M4, this. I gotta do some homework.
Yeah.
I gotta do some homework.
What the heck? That's crazy.
I'm not a pervert. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
I gotta put my downpipe back on. Gotta fix the exhaust leak. Change the coolant, flange, and I'm back outside, bro. Where to be? I'm back outside, bro.
My downpipe. That means I have to go 85.
You have to.
You got to. Can't go around it, man. No way around it.
That means I have to spend
240.
So that means 1,000 and 800 for the MPI. I have to get MPI.
So find a used one.
I know.
Yeah, just get it used and call it a
They
day.
don't exist, bro. Every time by the time I have the money, bro, it's always
It's just be
gone.
gone. I mean, you can also find a wrecked one. See if they have it.
One of the changes that MPI.
True. Because they most likely took it off. Makes sense. There's a lot of heat. Shaq, there's a lot of heat here, you feel me? There's a lot of heat.
There's a lot of heat. The music is like killing the vibes. I ain't gonna lie.
That too, and we need that. We need that.
Yeah, This specifically, yeah.
That's 13 hatchback.
Can't take Janae. This is why we can't take Janae anywhere. Look at her, just whenever she feels the rhythm. And that's what I was thinking, like, shit should go like the straight carbon trunk.
Might as well, bro.
Bro, there's some guy selling it.
A guy selling this whole set.
For how much?
I think 2
The trunk and the hood?
trunk hood fenders.
Get it, bro. Might as well. That'll push you even more to get wheels. That's pushing more to get wheels. And all of us fangirling.
Gladly.
Yo, I need to buy one of these, bro. More of them. Damn. Yo, S2K is really timeless, bro.
They'll forever be. I'm not gonna lie, give it 5 more years, bro. The price is gonna skyrocket.
Well, we're going straight electric in a couple of years. So.
Who's we?
Society.
Oh, I'm not part of society because I'm saying.
It'll be tight when there's no more gas to buy.
You bugging, bro? I'm gonna find it somewhere.
So gonna be home making his own gas.
Facts. Chugga E85
Once
is right
he
there.
gets the formula for it to be running smoothly, yo, he be running, making his own gas.
I'm not fucking around with those.
We over there.
Electric.
No, that's wild.
Oh, look at these twins. Twin GTR. So adorable.
Yo, we getting super heavy right now. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, we're just here with oh my God. That's a clean, yeah, man. Oh my goodness.
That shit is sexy.
You know, I never appreciated them as much as I should.
You never appreciated it?
I don't appreciate them as much as I should.
They're just heavy, bro. Heavy and slow. That's all it is. But they look good. That's it. Yeah.
you know,
This is not my territory, bro.
speed ain't everything, you know. Look at this goonery.
The flag is killing me though.
That heat's so good though. The heat's so good.
Yeah, look at it.
Yo, that's why they're all proud of the cars. They want to support. It makes sense, bro.
It's a Celsius.
You gonna drive this?
Celsius?
Yeah, it's from Japan. Yes. You know what I want to do? We need to take a trip to Japan.
Facts.
We gotta do that next year. We're doing that next year.
Yes, I was
Next
to go
year?
to Tokyo.
Next year? Oh, next year? 26? 26?
Facts.
Heard.
I want to go. I ain't gonna lie.
Yes. We have to go in like December, January though. That's when it's cool. It's not too hot. It's not too crazy.
Yeah.
It's summer.
That heat gonna kill you.
But you went to Jamaica, bro. It's the same thing.
No, actually,
I feel like
in February though.
it's low-key a different heat though.
No, it's a different heat though.
I mean, yeah,
But Japan
it makes
is
sense.
closer
Closer
to
to the equator. Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Yo, where is Vaughn?
They're all over
He
the
was
place.
in the middle by Pat.
All right, let's find these guys.
He's got over 70,000 miles. But he didn't want to bring it out.
Why you didn't bring it?
I want to know why he didn't bring it back. Listen, man, you gotta show what you got, man. And if for a very low miles M3, I would have brought it. Nah, I bring my work out.
This right?
He gets painted.
Clean, bro. Clean.
Next one. Yeah, I see that one, but this will caught my attention, bro.
Yeah, this is real clean.
March Madness has been great. Can't complain. I'll definitely come out next year. It was a great scenery, great people, great cause, great environment. All the competitions were awesome. It was great, man. Just look at it. It's beautiful.
Wow. All right, guys. Yeah. So we are hungry. We've exhausted our time here. About to get some food. Darren asked me if I want this.
Over the S13.
Over the S13. Over the S13. Nah. Like S13, like it's something about it. Like S14 is cool, but that S13 RX-7 like look like Supra, was it the Mark III Supra, like too clean. Like that's one of my favorite body styles. But yeah, so we out of here, we hungry. We'll catch y'all when we get to the spot. Get some food, talk, make some jokes.
Yeah, we definitely need to eat. We hungry.
Yo, stop.
It's about that time.
You on the extra
Extra eel sauce. It comes with eel sauce on it. You gotta do extra eel sauce on the side. Yeah, thank you. That's it for me.
Any drink for you?
Water with lemon, please.
Go ahead.
Oh.
No sugar put on wings too as well?
Huh? Wings?
Yeah.
So 2 wings, right?
What's a good drink? What's a good drink?
Which one you like?
I'm asking you, what's a good drink?
Cocktail.
Yeah.
No, I am.
Raspberry?
Stronger?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. How about you?
Oh yes,
Video
Kim.
guy.
Let's do
The video guy.
that video guy. Yeah. All right, let's do the General Soul Chicken.
White rice or fried rice?
Let's do fried rice. Let's do vegetable fried rice.
Sorry.
Were you eating in there?
I was about to.
He's about to.
I'm dead ass.
I'm gonna start busting it down too.
It's like slices don't take this long. Yo.
Nah, you know. I walked in, I ain't see y'all standing there. I was like, you know what, fuck it. I'm gonna go back, sit down, eat.
So you're not into like Asian food? That's why you got the pizza?
He was in Jack in the last time.
Yeah, I ain't like
You been here before?
Yeah, I've been there with them, bro.
Where you put me on?
I'm for a gang.
Like this thing is great. Like what's going on? You didn't know
Yes, it is. It's your first time here? It's good. It's good.
It's solid, bro. It's good.
But I don't remember what he got last
Yeah, I
time.
remember what you got.
I got sweet and sour chicken. That's what I got.
Sweet and sour chicken?
Probably a bad day. Probably a bad day, I don't know.
Niggas had a bad day, nah, bro.
It was a bad day.
Nah.
It was
It was a bad batch.
Then come here and get it, bro. You gonna taste it.
I'm thinking my bag is all up in your way.
Totally different.
Okay. Is that the eel sauce?
No, this is the eel sauce. You ever had it?
Nah, I never had eel
You gotta
sauce.
try it.
Nah, but I'm allergic
It's
to
like
seafood
a
though.
thicker soy sauce. It's not.
Is it actually made out of eel?
I don't know. I don't think it is. It's like a sweet soy sauce. Yeah.
Okay. That should be good.
I don't got
You're allergic to seafood.
yeah.
All seafood?
I don't know. Just shrimp. Shrimp.
You guys ever had duck or something?
Yes.
I'm gonna try
Duck tacos?
It's good?
Mad good.
What animal in the animal kingdom have you not eaten?
I never had. I ate pig by accident. I never.
Everybody eats pig.
Everybody eat
Like,
pig.
but like I stopped it after that.
Everybody eat pig.
I never had lobster.
Okay.
You never had
I
lobster?
never had lobster.
Not by accident?
No, not by
Mad good.
accident.
Just think you eat crab legs?
No, I don't eat shellfish. So like all like shrimp,
Okay,
all that
okay.
stuff. Yeah.
So you like the seafood places, like those seafood boil joints?
No.
Like when you get your hands on messy?
No.
With the popping boba.
Yeah. Taste test?
You definitely freestyle just now. You freestyle.
Oh, can't take her nowhere.
Nah, you freestyle, bro.
Like,
You say you about to suck us some balls?
Oh, that's actually accurate.
Can't take her nowhere.
About to freestyle.
Hey.
You freestyling, bro.
Hey yo.
Yo, they stupid for that. I was not thinking that shit either.
I was waiting for it too.
General Soul, yeah, over here. Yeah, you look like you wanted to ask.
Yeah. Does that
He said General Toes and I was like,
General Toes?
Toes are Toes.
Oh, is that the right
Thank you.
Right.
so guys, I got. Oh my god. How do I make it stay? I got sushi. So good. I didn't even try it yet.
Nah. I'm good.
Just wait.
Put him in the game.
You want to wait? You want to wait? They're so salty. So you take the
Why you crossing
wasabi.
your sticks, bro? I'm not crossing. I'm trying to.
You see? Everything you say, you have to say pause.
Because y'all be catching the same things. Back. I go. This is torture. This is dumb hot. That's dumb cold.
W made right now, bro.
With the squad.
Hold on,